So it is spooky season. Fright Fest. Great Adventure, New Jersey. Oh. All right, so I just did the walkthrough on The Conjuring. There's 9 mazes here at Six Flags Great Adventure. I asked the guy that been to all of them. He did all 9 mazes. He said, which one? I asked him, which one's the best? He said, The Conjuring. I said, okay, let me go try the Conjuring. I'm not into horror movies. Not really. I like the space alien kind of horror movies. I checked this one out, and I'll tell you, it was scary. It was a couple of jump scares in there. There's actors in there. They jump out at you. They don't touch you, and they've got lines on the ground so you know where to go and where not to go. But it had a nice, scary, creepy, spooky kind of vibe. I liked it. I got my blood going. So there's 9 of them here. All of them are a little different. There are lines for it. That one, since a lot of people are saying that's the best one, it was about 45 minutes to an hour. And I went there like right after the main parade. And it is in full effect here. Fright Fest at Six Flags. This time of the year at this park, they really get into it. There's a lot of things to do. The weather's just about right. Like I got my sweatshirt, but I really don't need to wear it or anything. A lot of things to do. If you're looking for something to do on a weekend, after 6 o'clock, you cannot come back in. So once you leave after 6, you can't come back in. And they're open to 12. Also, they have a chaperone policy. So if you're coming with you gotta make sure whoever's coming with you is of age. Everything's open. Time for an adventure.
Channel. Subscribe to Adventures. Subscribe.
What's up, peeps? Here at Six Flags Great Adventure over in New Jersey. This is part of Fright Fest. Couple of things if you're planning on coming to this. You want to make sure that you got what you need before 6 o'clock, because after 6 o'clock, you cannot come back in. So make sure you got everything you need for your 6 o'clock. With my Platinum Pass, I got a pass to all the mazes. So there's like 9 mazes here. They open up at 6 o'clock. After 6, you cannot come back into the park. Once you're out, you're out. So if you plan on doing Fright Fest, any of the mazes, any of the events, when it gets dark, make sure you bring everything you're going to need into the park, because after that, your hoodies and all that, outside. Maybe not going to let anybody back in. During this part of the year, they also have Oktoberfest going on. So you got Oktoberfest, you got Fright Fest, a lot of festivities. But the whole Oktoberfest part, as soon as you come in, you go straight back towards Joker, and this is all your Oktoberfest going on around here. Okay, so now I'm gonna find out if the meal plan is part of Oktoberfest. So Central Brew House looks like this is the place where you can get your schnitzel. So they got brats, kielbasa, pork schnitzel, chicken schnitzel, frankfurters, German potato salad, chicken tenders. So let's take a look and see what's inside. All right, so the meal plan is going to include chicken tenders, cauliflower bites, and a frankfurter. Bratwurst, pork schnitzel, and chicken schnitzel are not part of the meal plan. You got some German fries. That's not part. No, yeah. So pretty much nothing is part of the meal plan. This is the Primo pizza, but it's Oktoberfest pizza. And that's what the menu looks like. Pepperoni pizza. It looks like it. Tenders, chicken, Caesar, scallop. Right here at the Yum Yum Cafe, they got a couple of specialties for Fright Fest. They got some s'mores parfait, candy cane parfait, and a mocktail blood dance. So one of the things I really like about going for Fright Fest is the variety of different activities that they offer around the park. So it's not just the regular rides, you have the different scare zones. And this year they have a new scare zone, which is called the Plaza de Marta. which is over near El Toro, and they do a whole kind of Mexican theme thing. It's new this year. We got the lights, the smoke, they got the character actors right over there. So that was a lot of fun just to walk through it. And it was it was a full moon that night, so it was really nice. And they do have the scary sections marked out, and you can buy a necklace, which lets the actors know not to jump out at you, but they will jump out at you if you don't have that necklace on. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. The mazes, there's 9 different mazes, and they're throughout the different park. The one I went to, the Conjuring universe, that's the first time I've ever gone to one of those, and it was pretty scary. I normally don't do those kind of things, so I may try another one on another visit. They also have shows and experiences. So the one I did on this night was Blade Drummers, and there was drummers. They had the music going, and they were playing some of my favorite songs, and they just, you know, juggling, throwing knives in the air. And then there was one freak show that was kind of, I don't even know how to explain it. It was a little show, Unleashed. That's a whole thing inside. I did that one last year. I got a video up on that one. The children's section is open during the day, and they call it a Boo Fest. So it's kind of cute, the children's section. They do have a chaperone policy this year. So if you're under age, you need somebody with ID over 21 to go into the park. And if you're in the park when 6 o'clock happens and you don't have a chaperone, they will escort you out. So as always, this one was a lot of fun. I actually last year went to the one up in Massachusetts. I went to the Six Flags up there, New England Six Flags, and they did the same thing, and it was a lot of fun at that one. Have you ever been to one of these Fright Fest? Hey, you ever done one of those haunted hay rides? I did one, I think it was called Jason's Woods or something over in Delaware County. I got that video up on that one. So thanks for watching this video. Do me a favor, hey, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It really does help out the channel a lot. And until next adventure, take care of each other. Peace out, and I'll see you all soon. I'm a friendly person, fool. I'm just checking it out. I don't even know what this Conjuring is about. I gotta go that way? I ain't getting on the bed with you. I just try. I see that line. I know that line. Do I gotta go in the closet? I think she's trying to tell me I gotta go in the closet. I'm going in the closet. Okay, I'm going in the closet. I don't know what this Conjuring's about, but I am not messing with this movie. I'm telling y'all right now, I ain't messing with this movie. This Conjuring, whatever it is, nah. Oh, come on, man. Come on, why gotta be this hard? I can't even see through it. Ah! Damn. Nice. Thank you. Oh, man. Woo! All right. Face your fears. You're good.